Okay, in this video I am going to show you how to export a file out of Inventor to use on the 3D printers. So we want to create ourselves a STL file, and it's very simple really. You want to, once you've got your file, say I want to 3D print all of this item here, I want it all to be an STL file. So I'm going to go up to File in Inventor, and then the easiest way I think is to hover over Print and then come into this Send to 3D Print service. That's updated on the new 2020 Inventor. So now it's given me the option of STL as my main option, alright, just there. And you actually want to go into options, and you want to ensure if you haven't done this before, it'll probably be on centimeter, and you want to make sure it's on millimeter, and then it may be on BREP, and you want that to be a high resolution. Okay, so you want to ensure millimeters and high resolution is selected, and then you can click OK. That will take you back to here, and then you can click OK on there, and that will give you somewhere for you to save that work. So I'm going to make sure it's related to what I have been talking about and my name, so design idea, and then I can now click save, and that will be ready. Now I can go to my slicer software. We're using Prusa Slicer for these 3D printers, so you can open that up, and then you can import that STL file into your Prusa Slicer software. Okay.